This animal is faster than most cars. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. It can reach up to 120 kilometers per hour in seconds. Speed is its greatest weapon. Cheetahs accelerate faster than sports cars. From 0 to full speed in just a few strides. No other land animal compares. A cheetah's spine bends like a spring. Each stride covers massive distance. This is nature's perfect design. Semi-retractable claws act like running shoes. Long tail helps with balance and sharp turns. Speed without control is useless. Cheetahs can only sprint for short bursts. Overheating means death. Speed comes at a price. Speed made the cheetah famous, but survival keeps it alive. Follow Wild Animals Review.